Hey everyone, Ultimate Gamer here, welcome. Sorry. Let's do that again. Hey everyone, Ultimate Gamer here, welcome back to another video. Now today, as you can see, we are back on my Toolbox survival. Yeah, so now we're not gonna have any animal survival anymore. So episode 5 was the last episode. Now we begin this. So guys, there's a lot of things I want to do. We still need to finish the the house, like the interior of it. Let me just put that on. There we go. So we still need to put the interior in it. I only have a crafting table in it so far. I really like our house. It's pretty nice. You open these doors and wow, bam. Little thing where you can fish at. And on the mini map, it's huge. So yeah, that's our house right there. And our water house. Thanks to Rapid Build, we were able to build it. And guys, if you hear dogs barking in the background, those are my 2 dogs. They're talking to each other. And one of them is chasing my cat. Anyways, I want to give a shout out to Tyler Cornett, because me and him are friends and just met like 3 days ago. And he has a YouTube channel, so just search up Tyler Cornett. If you don't know how to spell cornet, it's just spelled corn and E-T-T. And ow! Subscribe to him, watch his videos. Yeah. Who is shooting me? I need my bow. Need my bow. Where's my bow? I have a bow, don't I? Ow! Trying to get in my house, young lady. Yeah. There. Bow. Oh my gosh, don't even have it. Are you kidding me? Don't even have a bow. Bow. Enchanted. Affinity 1. Flame 1. Do it. Power. Let's give it power 20. 18's good. Punch 13. Breaking. Let's give it unbreaking 30. And yeah, okay, I think that's my bow now. My overpowered bow. Okay, now, do I have any arrows on me? Yeah. Okay. Gonna shoot him down. Come here, skeleton. Oh, wait. As soon as I get my bow ready to fight him, he just... I want to test this on something. Okay, sheep. You're my victim. Hold still. Said hold still. It's a tree. Hold still. Come on. Got this. Ready? Ugh. Come on. Stand still. Okay, this is the shot. Oh, kill him right away. And now those trees are gonna be on fire. Okay, shoot a squiddy. Oh, man. Squiddy. Piggy. And fire. And fire. Anyways, so we need to finish the inside of this, okay guys? So what I want to do is I'm going to get a furnace, put it in there, and decorate with some paintings. How do you paint? How do you make a painting? Something just died over there. Okay. Wait. Wait a second. See the pig right there? Shoot! Shoot! Come on, I can get it. Shoot! No, okay. I'm gonna give up. So, actually, how do you make a painting? Sorry about that, guys. How do you make a painting really quickly? Painting. It's time frame. Paint. You need sticks and wool. You know the drill. Wool. And then stick. And then I'll make 64 of them. Only 8, okay. Yeah, it's worth it. Okay. I have 8 paintings. It's time to go painting. Sorry, horrible joke, I know. Okay, so it's the correct inside of this. No. Give me that back. Thank you. Deco. Don't go in the torches. Okay. I need a wide area where there's no torches. Right here. Decoration. Decoration. Oh, one's gonna go right over the big doors. That'll look beautiful. Ah, magnificent. Break that really quickly. There we go. Put one right there. There we go. Break that. And I will replace all the torches. I'm gonna put one over this door too. That'll look majestic. There we go. Actually, I don't want the same painting. It needs to be different. Needs to be different. Where's all my paintings? Give me them. Yeah, it needs to be different. It can't be the same one. There we go. No. I already have that one. Oh, see, Minecraft. No. Bad boy. I already have that one. No. Oh, okay, I'll just keep that one. Man, paintings these days, am I right? Put one right here. Same one, but I don't care. Put one right there. And one right there. Okay. So interior's done. I think it looks nice. I need to replace all these torches I broke. But I have 41. I'll just put them everywhere. I'm gonna put a brewing stand in here once I get one. I'm gonna put torches around the holy thing. Wait, what should I put outside here? I should put a chest where I get all where all my fishing stuff goes. Yeah. Let's do that. I put down this crafting table so gonna get 2. No, I'll get more. I'll get 5. There, I'll get 5. Okay, I have 5 now. Break this. Pick it up. Those can go there. These 2 can go here. Last one. No, wait. Okay, I'll just to make it even. I'm gonna put. I need more wood. Alright. Wrong thing. Where's my crafting table? Oh, I need my crafting table. Okay, and this will be it. Should I put a crafting table here? In case if I get something, because you can get anything in the ocean. I mean, from like a fishing rod. So should I put a crafting table here? Yeah, I guess I'll do it. I know these things can be here. That's where my it's blocking the doors. Can't be there. Okay. So I'll just put it like right here, maybe? Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Need 2 more. Break this. Maybe exactly right here. There we go, like that. There we go. Crafting table down in 3. And I am done this part of it in 3, 2, 1, bam. Wait, to make it look even like neater. 2 crafting tables. Bam. So I think that's going to be it, so guys. So thanks so much for watching. And if you did enjoy, slap the like button, subscribe, and also hit that little bell so you'll be notified when my videos come out. Because as soon as I upload them, I try to see if anyone commented them, and I try to reply straight back to them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Ultimate Gamer is out. See you guys later. This is a very nice place.